Hi, I'm Amy Barrett-Daffin, and I'm here today to talk to you about the Quilt Builder Card Deck Christmas Set. 40 jolly blocks, 8 merry layouts, and plentiful possibilities. So let me show you what the Christmas set is all about. On the cards, on one side, you get value. So you see the lights, the mediums, and the darks. And this helps you pick fabric that's going to make the blocks really sing and stand out. And it also breaks down all the different shapes. You flip it over, and then what you see is you've got a black and white, you've got the grayscale from the other side, and you have the piecing diagram, and then you have a color way suggestion. But here's where the magic happens. You go down here, and across you see 5 different block sizes. This goes from 6-inch to 36-inch. So these are all the different size blocks you can make, and here are the cutting instructions for all of them. And you just follow across. If you're going to do an 8-inch block, it tells you how much of what to cut, and this tells you how many to cut, and if you cut them in half, because a lot of them are half square triangles. Like I said, there are 40 blocks, so you can see there's all sorts of different blocks here. And what we do is we have layouts. So we have a couple different layouts. I think we give you 6 different layouts, and then we also have some table runner layouts in here. So this is Starry Night layout. It's the one right behind me, and that was made by Galen Runge, who also is the person who designed this card deck. And these are all the different blocks that are included in it. And I think she did all 12-inch blocks. So that's Starry Night. And then let me show you 2 more blocks that were made. I think one was by Galen and one was by Sophie. And that's these 2 right here. So here is the Holly block. And then here's the Road to California. And it's just a really fun block. And she made these in red and white so that you could do sort of that Nordic sweater feel, but she made it up in a different colorway. And then we also have a really cute table runner idea here, which is that one. She did it using the candle trio, and that is this one right here. I'm just going to hold it up so you can see it. And Galen made that for her, as she said, ginormous table. The last thing I want to show you, and one of the ones I'm super excited about, is this Christmas tree sampler layout. And it uses 21 blocks. So you got a lot of blocks here. You go all the way around like a little Christmas tree wreath. And what I wanted to show you, I pulled out some fabrics that I got for this. So you've got these really fun colors that are in all the different blocks, and I just love the Christmas colors. And then this is the colors for, like, this is the green background, and then for all the reds, and then there's some pinks. So I'm super excited about this Christmas tree sampler, and you could decide to make 12-inch blocks and not some of these little 6-inchers. That's probably what I'll do. But it's a great tool, and it helps you get into the holiday spirit early. So check out the Christmas Quilt Builder Card Deck. It's the Christmas set, and I hope you have as much fun with it as I do. Thank you.